Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to assign an if or a when expression to a variable in Kotlin. So just create a new project and then create a new file. So mine is myfile.kotlin. So here is our entry point. Here let's create a variable. Let's say var, and let's say the name of this variable is person age, right? Assignment operator number 25. Let's create another variable. So again, var person weight. Okay, and then here is assignment operator and number 30. So let's create another variable, var result. Assignment operator, let's say if, and then let's put a pair of parentheses here, person age is greater than person weight, then assign the person age to the result variable. So let's say person age, otherwise if the person weight, otherwise if this expression here is actually evaluated to false, so that means if the person age is equal to person weight, or if the person weight is greater than person age, right? In that case, assign the person weight to this result variable. So we can say else person weight here. So here I just wanted to teach you how it is evaluated. So we have two variables here, and we have a variable called result. If person age is greater than person weight, then it's going to assign person age to this result variable. Otherwise, if this expression here evaluates to false, what does that mean? This means that if the person age is not greater than person weight, then it's going to assign the person weight to this variable. So let's println, and inside the parentheses I can actually say $, right, result, $result. Let's run the app. So in the console you can see that number 30 is outputted to the console, right? What does this mean? This means that the value of this result variable is number 30. So here you can see that person weight is 30, right? And the person age is 25. So number 30 is greater than 25. So this expression here evaluates to false, and person weight here is going to be assigned to this result variable, and that's why you can see that the result is 30. So number 30 is outputted to the console. Now it's time to give you a more meaningful analogy. Let me comment out these lines of code here. So assume that we want to get the maximum value of two variables. So we have the first one, the first variable is number of cars, right? So assignment operator number 20 or number 50. We have 50 cars. Let's create the other variable, var number of bicycles. So notice that when you are actually naming your variables, there must be no space between your characters here, right? So you can see that there is no space here between these characters, number of bicycles, assignment operator, and here, for example, we have 100 bicycles, right? So now we can say var maximum value. This is the name of this variable, assignment operator. So if number of cars is greater than number of bicycles, then assign number of cars to this maximum value, number of cars. Otherwise, else assign the number of bicycles to this maximum value variable. So if this expression here evaluates to true and the number of cars is greater than number of bicycles, then it's going to assign number of cars to this variable, maximum value. Otherwise, if this expression here evaluates to false and the number of cars is not greater than number of bicycles, then it's going to assign the number of bicycles to this variable, maximum value, right? So I have a typo here, maximum value. So now let's print this value to the console. Let's say println maximum value. Let's run the app. So now it's gonna obviously output number 100 to the console because number 100 is greater than 50, so this expression evaluates to false, and it's going to assign number of bicycles to this variable, and maximum value is number 100. So here we can change this operator here to, for example, equal to. If number of cars is equal to number of bicycles, then assign, for example, the number of cars to this variable. Otherwise, assign the number of bicycles to this variable. Or we can actually say, if the number of cars is equal to number of bicycles, assign number of bicycles to this variable. Number of bicycles. Otherwise, assign the number of cars to this variable. So let me create a new line so that you can see what's going on here. So here, let's run the app. So now you can see that number 50 is outputted to the console. So let's take a look at this expression here. If number of cars is equal to number of bicycles, so this expression evaluates to false. Why? Because number 50 is not equal to number 100, right? So it's not going to actually assign the number of bicycles to this variable. Otherwise, if this expression evaluates to false, then it's going to assign number of cars to this variable. So that's why you can see number 50 is outputted here to in the console. So now let's talk about when expression. So let me comment out these lines of code here.